Have you ever noticed how a single yawn can trigger a chain reaction? This fascinating phenomenon, known as contagious yawning, is more than just a reflex. Scientists believe it is strongly linked to empathy and social bonding within humans. When we see someone yawn, our brains, particularly areas associated with social cognition, can mirror that action. It suggests a subconscious connection, indicating our ability to relate to other states. So, the next time you catch a yawn, remember it might just be your empathy in action. What other human behaviors intrigue you? Comment below.